So somebody asked for it. Here's a small form factor build for $1,400. Now this one takes a little bit extra work than a normal build because small form factor, you have to be really careful with what can actually fit inside of a case. Now thankfully I just built a PC in this Lee & Lee A4 case, so I'm very familiar with what can actually fit inside of it. Let's get into it. To start, we've got a Ryzen 5 9600X and an RTX 4060 Ti. For a cooler, I was originally going to go with an air-cooled option, but according to Lee & Lee, you only have 55 millimeters of depth for that CPU cooler. Even the options from Noctua said that they could barely handle low turbo and not even be able to overclock, so I didn't really want to go with an air-cooled option. Back to the part list. Instead, I chose the Be Quiet 240 millimeter radiator, and the CPU cooler block is just 44 millimeters, so it'll easily fit inside this case. Next, we have an ASRock B650 ITX motherboard. This also has built-in Wi-Fi and a slot for our M.2. Once again, I've got some CL36000 RAM from Team Group. The T-Create Expert is really nice low-profile RAM, giving us as much space as possible inside this case. For storage, I also went with a 1 terabyte SSD from Team Group. This is a PCIe Gen 4. It does around 4,500 to 5,000 read-write speed. And like I said, we've got an Asus Dual RTX 4060 Ti. This is a great 2-slot card that will definitely fit inside the case. Like I mentioned, we went with the Lee & Lee A4H2O case. This is a really nice small form factor build. I even recently built a mobile station where the entire PC, all of the power cables, and a mobile monitor all fit inside a carry-on case. And last but not least, we have a 750 watt 80 plus gold certified power supply from Lee & Lee, which rounds us up to $1,387, which is definitely within that $1,400 budget. Now, if you are in a state that has sales tax, that might put you a little bit over that $1,400 budget. But this is a great gaming PC for $1,400. You're gonna play any game you could possibly want at 1440p or play at 1080p and get insane FPS.